Alright, so we're still working with equations, and now we're working with equations with radicals. And what I want you guys to notice here is this. Here's my radical. And you'll notice I still have something attached to my radical. So step number one when doing this is to isolate the radical. And that's going to be super easy to do because all we have to do is subtract 1 from both sides. So I have radical 5 minus x is equal to x minus 3. Once I've done that, I need to get rid of the radical sign. So step 2 is square both sides. And so if I square both sides, you have to be careful because take a look. I'm squaring a binomial, so here I have 5 minus x, and that's fine. But x minus 3 squared really means, I'll write this down here, really means x minus 3 times x minus 3, and you have to FOIL. You get x squared minus 3x minus 3x, which is minus 6x, plus 9. And once again, if you'll recall from solving rational expressions, now I'm going to take a look, and I notice that this is a second degree. So I'm going to move the 5 and that negative x over, and I'm going to make the left-hand side equal to 0, and the right-hand side becomes x squared minus 5x plus 4. A lot of people don't like it written like this. They like the right-hand side to be 0, so that's simple enough. I'm going to erase that now, and then I'm going to just put it equal to 0. Now I have a quadratic equation. This looks like it's definitely factorable. I'm going to do x minus 4 and x minus 1. Oops, forgot my x. And so now I set them both equal to 0, x minus 4 equals 0, or x minus 1 equals 0. So x equals 4, or x equals 1. Now, because we're working with quadratics, you have to be super careful. What you have to do, and this is so step 3, solve, but step 4 is the big one. Because you're working with a quadratic, you always have to check both solutions. And the reason why is because it is possible to get a negative underneath the radical sign, and then you'd have to get rid of it. 5 minus 4 is 1, square root of 1 is 1, plus 1 is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. So the 4 checks. 5 minus 1 is 4, square root of 4 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Oh, wait a second. Whoa, wait a second. 5 minus 1. I'm going to write that again. And here we go. We might actually have a solution that does not work. 5 minus 1 plus 1 equals 1 minus 2. Take a look at this. I get the square root of 4 plus 1, which equals a negative 1. But I get 2 plus 1 equals negative 1, and that is not true. 3 does not equal negative 1, so we have to reject that solution. See? That's why you check. I did my math right, but that solution still doesn't work, and the reason why is because of the radical sign. And that's it.